everybody! I'm here today to tell you that every beginner driver should do this at least once. I will literally be telling you something that I believe that every beginner driver should do at least one time. And to be honest with you, I think that every driver should do this as a beginner at least 10 times or even 50 times because it's really important. The thing is very simple, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. I don't think I'm going to demonstrate because I don't have the right situation right now, but you know, if you have the right situation, you should do this. Here's the thing. What I want every beginner driver to do is go to an empty parking lot, get up to a decent speed, and slam on their brakes. That's right, slam on their brakes. And I'll tell you exactly why, okay? So when you slam on your brakes, depending on your car, one of two things is gonna happen. Either the ABS braking is gonna kick in and you're gonna feel exactly what it feels like, or the wheels are gonna lock up and your car is going to skid. I'm very sorry about these bumps. They're fixing this road literally right now. Okay, so I'm just trying to, this is, hopefully in the future videos we won't have these bumps, or not as often at least. But essentially, what you wanna do is you wanna feel what it feels like to have the ABS braking kick in, because it's a very unique feeling, or to have your wheels lock up and learn how to control it. Now, it's very, very important, and I'll tell you exactly why. Let's say you have ABS, which I'm gonna assume that you're driving a newer car. Your car probably does have ABS. I'm gonna go out on a limb and assume that. Sorry about the poor lighting, but I'm doing my best here. You wanna know what it feels like. Because if you're driving on the road, and then all of a sudden you have to slam on your brakes and your ABS kicks in and you've never felt it before, you're gonna be like, what's wrong with the car? What is that? And that might affect your ability to be safe in that situation. Instead of focusing on steering out of the way of harm, you're focusing on wondering what's going on with your brake pedal, right? So every beginner driver should know exactly what ABS feels like if their car has it. That's number one, because it's a one-off kind of feeling. There's almost nothing like it when you drive. When the ABS kicks in, it's like a very unique feeling. Okay, hopefully you never have to use it, but you probably will. And secondly, if you don't have ABS and your wheels lock up and you skid to a stop, you gotta know, number one, what that's gonna sound like so you're not shocked. Number two, what that's gonna feel like. And number three, how to try and regain control of the car. Now, I'm not saying go and completely crush your tires and like do this 50 times in a day, but I am saying that you should regularly, as a beginner driver, make it a point of knowing how to control your car when you slam on your brakes, and what it feels like when you slam on your brakes, and what's gonna happen when you slam on your brakes. This way, if you have to slam on your brakes, because you probably will eventually, you're not gonna wonder what's going on. You're gonna know exactly what's going on. You're gonna be able to react accordingly and hopefully bring yourself to safety. Get yourself out of harm's way. And that's what I believe that every beginner driver should do. And like I said, right now, this is not an empty parking lot. This is actually a parking lot that has tons of cars in it, so I don't want to get up to speed and slam on my brakes when there's lots of people that might be walking to their cars around. It's just not a great idea. But what I recommend, go to a parking lot when there is no traffic during the early hours of the morning or the late hours of before it gets dark. Okay, and you probably don't want to do this at nighttime, but before it gets dark, when there's nobody in the parking lot, choose pretty much an empty parking lot and just literally get up to a decent speed. I'm not talking about like highway speeds, like just a decent speed, and slam your brakes and feel what it feels like, hear what it sounds like, learn how to regain control. And that's it. Every beginner driver should do that at least once. That's what I truly believe. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.